Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Smith Jonathan. I am from Peru. I am Peruvian. I'm living in Chicago. I am 21 years old. I am pleased to meet you and to start working with you. Regarding my preference, I really like Peruvian food, especially ceviche and roasted chicken. I also love urban music and reggaeton. I don't like very loud or aggressive music. And my spend time, I love play soccer and hanging out with my friends. And as like listening to music with while in addition, I like learning new things, improving my skill. I don't like wasting time. I don't like working with organization. I am done being late. I love working in surfing from other, but I don't like under too much pressure all time. Finally, I am very motivated, but times now I'm hoping to try my best. Thank you very much.